Happy weekend. Let's begin. So this week we installed this staircase, basically two stringers with steps and then a horizontal stringer. So we started by installing this 4x8 stringer. Then we added a post over there and then another post behind that plywood and then the horizontal 4x10 stringer. And finally the 4x8 stringer with steps on it. And that's pretty much it. So if you walk around, in the back you see that post to the right, and then there's another post behind this plywood, and we're gonna walk around, and there's the post, and then above that post, that bigger hole, that's where the electricians are gonna run the electrical, because each individual step is gonna have a light inside the wood portion of it. So the electrical starts from here, gets placed in this hole, and then each step we made, and then on each step we made a hole where the electricians are going to run the electrical. Right there, see those holes in the center? Wires are going to be fed to that hole, and then this is going to have a 4-inch by 8-inch by 36-inch solid piece of wood, and each of that wood is going to have a light in front of it. And then let's begin work. So there's the 4x8 with the steps on it. We attached it at the top, we suspended, and basically that post we added behind that plywood where that hole is, a second post to the left, and then finally the horizontal 4x10 got welded right there to that 4x8. So this is it installed. I just had to do a little bit more welding on the very last landing, and notice how the two landings are different heights. They're going to be separate from each other, but basically here it is. You climb up the steps, you reach the landing. See, there's a height difference between the two landings. The landing is going to have solid wood. Then you walk from one landing to the other landing, and again the other landing is going to have solid wood. Then each of those steps are going to have a 4-inch by 8-inch by 36-inch solid piece of wood with a light in front of it. And eventually we'll do handrails over there and balcony, and see all those big openings, all that's going to have glass. All those big openings are for glass, so when you climb down the stairs and up the stairs you could see outside. Also people could see the beautiful stairs from outside. And you're walking down the steps, and the reason why all this are tucked in this corner, if I go and turn around to the right, see that door and that wall in the center, they wanted the steps behind that, so that 4x10 stringers was pushed way back and kind of tucked in that corner, just so it's not, you don't have that stringer in the doorway basically. So this would be the main entry, but if you turn around, this will be a big piece of glass, and this is what people are going to see from outside, the beautiful steps. Obviously we still have to work on it, but this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you on the next project.